too. I think you have to bind it up, down. Alright, you see that's working, so we know this is good. It's wet out here, so hopefully I don't crash into the ground and get it too wet. I don't think it would fly well with water on it. It's pretty light cellophane styrofoam. Well, there it goes. Let's see how it does. Oh boy, it turns fast. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It flies pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Alright guys, let's go for a throttle punch. Oh. Well, you keep that throttle balanced and it flies really good. You try to do too much or too little, and it's hard to gain control again. But it flies pretty good, and it looks really cool. Definitely not a fast flyer. There's no wind out here, and that is quite suggested. Because I don't really think this would do great, being as I'm flying at about, I don't know, 2 miles an hour? That's about all the wind it would take. Turn, not the tree. Yeah, it takes just a second for those turns to kick in, so it has to build up some pressure on that little tail rudder. That is pretty neat though. I like how this thing flies. Alright, as we quaddies would say, let's try some funnels. Since it wants to turn left anyways. Alright, and there you go. Tybo flapping wing bird funnels. So it has a tendency to want to turn left on its own. Ah! So the right turn funnels just aren't very good. Oh, it's kind of doing better. Oh, she crashed.